Welcome to Metrology lecture series. In the present video, we will discuss the angle gauges. Angle gauges are made from high quality hardened and stabilized steel. So they are strong and do not wear easily. The measuring faces are lapped and polished to give the very high accuracy and the flatness. Each block is usually 75 mm long and 16 mm wide. Angle gauges are work on the same principle as slip gauges. But slip gauges are used to measure the accurate length, but angle gauges are measured to accurate angles. Angle gauges come in a standard set of angle blocks. These blocks can be joined together by sliding and ringing them. By combining different angle blocks, we can obtain the required angle. Using these combinations, angles can be set very accurately up to 3 seconds. Angle gauges are available in the two standard sets. One is the 12 angle blocks, another one is the 13 angle blocks. First we have to look for the 12 angle blocks. One set consisting of the 12 angle blocks and one square block. So these 12 blocks are arranged in the three different series of set angle values. That is the first I have to look for the first set for the degrees, that is the 1 degree, 3 degree, 9 degree, 27 degree and 41 degree. In the minutes, 1 minute, 3 minute, 9 minute and 27 minute. In the seconds, 6 seconds, 18 seconds and 30 seconds. Next we have to look for the 13 angle blocks. Another set contains the 13 pieces of angle blocks and one a square block. So I have to look for the what are these 13 angle blocks. It is the similar to the 12 angle blocks, but only in the seconds of one set only it will be changed. So I have to look what are the set is there. For the degrees 1, 3, 9, 27 and 41. So in the minutes 1, 3, 9 and 27, and in the seconds only 3 seconds only the extra when compared with the 12 angle blocks. So in the seconds 3 seconds, 6 seconds, 18 seconds and the 30 seconds. By selecting and combining these blocks from these three series, we can obtain the required angle accurately. Each angle gauge is very accurate. It can measure angles with an accuracy of 1 second. On every gauge, a small engraved V mark is provided. This V mark shows the direction of the inclined angle. By ringing different angle gauges together along with a square block, we can set any angle from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. When two gauges are joined with their thin ends together, the final angle is the sum of the both of the angles. Similarly, when the thin ends are placed opposite to each other, the result is the difference of the both of the angles. So next we have to discuss the how to use the V mark. First condition is addition of angles. When we want to add angles, keep all the engraved V marks in the same direction. For example, I have to observe in the schematically. Here there are the two angle gauges are there. One angle is the phi, another one is the theta. So I want to add these two angles. I need the resultant angle is the phi plus theta. In this condition, we have to keep the these both of the V marks in the same direction. Next we have to look for the another condition for the subtraction of an angle. When we want to subtract an angle, place that particular gauge so that its V mark faces the opposite direction. Let's see in the schematic picture. Here there are the two angle gauges are there. One is having the phi angle, another one is the theta angle. I need the resultant angle is the subtract the theta value from the phi. Then so resultant angle will become the phi minus theta. In this condition, so both of the gauges should be the reverse condition. For example, I have to observe in the for the phi gauge, so V is in this direction. Similarly for the theta angle gauge, V is in the opposite direction. Then resultant angle will become the phi minus theta. Next we will discuss the competitive exam oriented question on angle gauges for the GATE and other competitive exams. First we have to look for the first problem. A set of angle gauges containing the following angles, that is 1 degree, 3 degree, 9 degree, 27 degree and 41 degree. 1 minute, 3 minute, 9 minute, 27 minute, 1 second, 3 second and the 9 second. What combination is required to build 50 degrees, 20 minutes and 10 seconds? So I have to build the combination of angle gauges for the 50 degrees, 20 minutes and 10 seconds. So break the required angle into degrees, minutes and the seconds. First here given the degree is the 50 degree. We are having the angle gauges are the 1, 3, 9, 27 and 41. So with the help of these 5 degree gauges, we will get the 50 degrees equal to the 41 degree plus 9 degrees. Next we have to go for the minutes. We require the gauges for the 20 minutes. But available gauges are the 1, 3, 9 and 27 minutes. So with the help of these 4 angle gauges, we will get the 20 degrees equal to the 27 degree minus 9 degree plus 3 degrees minus 1 degree. So which will become the, so 27 plus 3, 30 minus 9 plus 1 which is the 10. So 30 minus 10 which will become the 20 minutes. So next we have to look for the seconds. Here we have to require the seconds is the 10 seconds. Combination is the available for the 1, 3 and 9. So we will get this 10 seconds with the help of the 9 second and the 1 second. So 10 seconds will become the 9 second plus 1 second. So final combination will become the 41 degree plus 9 degree plus 27 minutes minus 9 minutes plus 3 minutes minus 1 minute plus 9 seconds plus 1 second. So next we have to see the similar problem which is asked in the GATE 2003. So the question is the angle of 36 degrees, 12 minutes and 24 seconds is to be built using the standard angle gauges. So they given the standard angle gauges combination. So I have to get the angle is the 36 degrees, 12 minutes and the 24 seconds. So first I have to break the required angle into degrees, minutes and the seconds. First I have to look for the degrees. Here we required degrees is the 36, but available is 1, 3, 9, 27 and the 41. So we will get the 36 degrees with the help of the combination of 27 and the 9. So 36 degrees equal to the 27 degrees plus 9 degrees. Next we have to look for the minutes. Required minutes is the 12 minutes, but combination is the available 1, 3, 9 and 27. We will get the 12 minutes with the combination of the 9 and 3. So 9 minutes plus 3 minutes, which is equal to the 12 minutes. Next we have to look for the 24 seconds. Here availability is the 1, 3, 9 and 27 seconds. So we will get the 24 with the help of the 27 and the 3. So 24 seconds equal to the 27 seconds minus 3 seconds. So final combination is the 27 degrees plus 9 degrees plus 9 minutes plus 3 minutes plus 27 seconds minus 3 seconds. So this is the concept regarding the angle gauges, and thank you.